Good afternoon to all. So welcome back to today's class. Yesterday I have given you 5 questions based upon your middle term splitting. Here are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. You please uh, check your answers. I have solved already. You can just go through your steps, whatever you have done, and if any mistakes are there, please do the correction. Quickly I will come back to all these 5 questions. Now number of questions already I have added to your assignment. I hope all of you are okay with the procedure. 1 into 1 is 1. I have to split 2 in terms of 1. That product is 1 and sum or difference is minus 2. So factor of 1, 1 and 1. I need minus 2, so minus 1 and minus 1. Then you take first two, last two. Your answer will be x minus 1 into x minus 1. Second question was x square minus 3x minus 10. So 10 into 1 is 10. When you will be getting the factor of 10, it will be 5 and 2. And difference of 5 and 2 is equal to 3. So greater term will be consisting of the middle term sign to minus 5 plus 2. Then in first two again x is common, x minus 5. In last two, 2 is common. Again 2 into x minus 5. X minus 5 overall common and x plus 2 here it is. So x minus 5 into x plus 2 will be the answer for number 2. Number 3 was 2x square plus x minus 6. So here you need to multiply 2 with 6. So you need to find the factors of 12 such that their sum or difference is equal to 1. So you just follow the procedure properly and definitely you'll be getting a pair of 4 and 3. So greater is 4 consisting of plus sign equal to the middle term sign. 3 is of minus sign, then 4 minus 3 is 1 and 4 into minus 3 minus 6 into 2 is minus 12. Satisfy the condition. In first two again 2x is common, x plus 2. In last two you can take minus 3 common, again x plus 2. So x plus 2 overall common, 2x minus 3 will left over there. So answer will be x plus 2 into 2x minus 3 for question number 3. Then number 4 is 16x square minus 8x plus 1. Now 16 into 1 is 16. I need to factorize 16 such that the sum of those two numbers of prime factors will be equal to minus 8. So 4 and 4 will be the numbers. You again follow the procedure, find the factors of 16 and select that pair. So minus 4 and minus 4 is equal to minus 8 and minus 4 into minus 4 will give you the product of 16 and 1, 16. In first two again 4x is common, so 4x minus 1. In last two you can take minus sign common. Here again it will be 4x minus 1. So you will be getting 4x minus 1 into 4x minus 1. Fifth was 100x square minus 20x plus 1. So you need to multiply 100 with 1. You need to get the factor of 100 such that the sum or difference is equal to minus 20. So 10 tenths will solve your purpose. Minus 10x and minus 10x. Middle term is split in two terms, minus 10, minus 10. So minus 10, minus 10, minus 20 and minus 10 into minus 10 is 100 and 1s are 100. So in first two again there is 10x common. So you will be left with 10x minus 1. Here minus sign you can take common and again inside the bracket there will be 10x minus 1. Finally 10x minus 1 is common. Again you will left with 10x minus 1. So your answer will be 10x minus 1 into 10x minus 1. So these are the solution for all 5 questions of yesterday's assignment. Please do check your answers, especially the steps, or take care of signs. If any difficulty is there, please let me know. So number of questions already I have given to you, and then tomorrow a small test of 4 to 5 questions I will be giving based upon your middle term splitting only. So please be ready for the same. One query was there, how to solve this question of exercise 9.2, second question, second part. So this is a product of binomial with binomial, 3b plus 2 into 5b minus 4 and minus b minus 5 into 3b plus 2. Better you use curly brackets here to solve these. So now put the sign of equal to, here is a term of 3b, so 3b into 5b minus 4. I have to multiply 3b with 5b minus 4 and then this 2 with again 5b minus 4. And close this curly bracket here. Similarly here, b into 3b plus 2, b into 3b plus 2 minus 5 into 3b plus 2. Please keep a watch upon that, and then start multiplying. Plus into plus is plus, 3 into 5 is 15, b into b is b square. Plus into minus is minus, 3 into 4 is 12, only b is there, so it will remain b here. Plus into plus is plus, 2 5s are 10, so 10b. Plus into minus is minus, 2 4s are 8, now you can use this small bracket here. Then minus, again here b into 3b is 3b square, plus 2 into b will give you plus 2b, minus 5 into 3b minus 15b, and minus 5 into plus 2 will be minus 10. Plus into minus is minus, 5 2s are 10. Now check the like terms here. It will be 15b square minus 12 plus 10 will give you minus 2b. This is minus 8. 15b square minus 12 plus 10. These two are the like terms. I can add or subtract. One is minus, one is plus. I have to subtract. So it will be minus 2b. Sign will always be of the greater term there. Then this is minus 8. Minus is there. 3b square is alone. 2b minus 15b again are the like terms. And you will be getting here minus 13b. And then it is minus 10. Now again you can solve these brackets. 15b square minus 2b minus 8. Now minus sign is there outside the bracket. When you are opening the bracket, you will change all the signs here. Minus 3b square plus 13b, and then it is plus 10. Now again like terms. 15b square minus 3b squares. So this is 12b square minus 2b plus 13b. This is plus 11b, and plus 10 minus 8 will give you plus 2. So this will be the answer, 12b square plus 11b plus 2. So this is the way you have to do this, and check your answer, check your steps. Wherever the difficulty was, kindly do the correction. I hope that is clear. So now we were there in exercise 9.5, and yesterday I have started the factorization based upon your identity a square minus b square. So few of the parts I have already solved for you. From that particular question, again I will pick few more parts. Suppose I am taking the 9th part of your question number 4. If you are not getting anyone, please send me your message. Definitely I will be coming back to you with the solution. So you can send a comment upon this lecture. If any difficulty in any of the part you are finding, I will come back to you. So here it is, a square minus 2ab plus b square is within the bracket, then it is minus c square. So now you know, after 5th part, that is onwards 6 to 15, I said ki all these are based upon the identity what? A square minus b square. Please keep a watch. Now minus b square already I can see here, this is the square of c. It means this is also a perfect square somewhere which I can take is equal to a. If you see a square plus b square minus 2ab, now I know very well is the square of a minus b. So a minus b whole square and c square. Now this is lying in the form of a square minus b square, where you can take, this is suppose x and this is y. So this is the square of x and this is the square of y, and in between there is minus sign. So x square minus y square you know is what? X plus y into x minus y. I am taking in terms of x and y because already your question is there in terms of a, b and c. So now what is x? You need to substitute the value of x and y simply in this result. So x is a minus b. So a minus b plus y means plus c. That's all. So this is x plus y. Why? Because x is a minus b. It can be binomial, it can be trinomial, it can be quadrinomial, but should be a perfect square. That is the condition only. And when you will go to this part, this will be a minus b minus c, because again your x is a minus b and your y is c. So now with minus sign and here with plus sign, so this will be the answer for your 9th part. Now suppose I am coming to your 12th part. Question 4, 12th part. So 12th part is 25x square minus it is 0.1230 and then 9. If you are in trouble with working out with decimal signs, so please do one thing. You put the zeros. 9, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros are there. Now you see, I'm working upon a square minus b square. Means these two definitely will be the perfect squares. So 25 is the square of 5 and x square is the square of x. Perfect square this is. Here 9 everybody knows. And even number of zeros are there, you simply need to half the number of zeros to make it a perfect square. If there are 4 zeros, I will be taking 2. If there are 6, I will be taking 3. If there are 8, I will be taking 4. So that is the rule. So now this is lying in the form of a square minus b square. Now if you want to convert it into the decimal, easily you can convert. 2 zeros are there, so this will be 0.03 square. 0.03 whole square. Because 2 zeros are there, so I need to put 1 zero to complete the 2 digits after that decimal. I hope all of you know the rule. And a square minus b square, now this is a and this is b. A plus b means 5x plus 0.03 into a minus b means 5x minus 0.03. So this will be the answer for your part number 12. Then suppose 13th also I am taking for you. 13th you can see is 13th part here is x raised to the power 4 minus 81. Now x raised to the power 4 is the square of x square. 81 is the square of 9. So now what happens then? This is now a square minus b square, where a is x square and b is 9. So this will be a minus b means x square minus 9 into a plus b means x square plus 9. But here if you see again, I know that 9 is the square of 3 somewhere, definitely. So x square plus 9, because I have to factorize until unless the possibilities are there, I cannot leave it. So I see x square and 9 again is a perfect square. Again this is lying somewhere in the form of a square minus b square. So again I have to go for a minus b into a plus b. Now my a is x and b is 3. A square minus b square. A minus b into a plus b. And then it is x square plus 9 and leave your answer here. X minus 3 into x plus 3 into x square plus 9. So other already I have solved for you. 14th if you want to see, again I will give you the hint, like it is 2a cube minus 8a. Both are not the perfect squares, so means something I have to take common here. So you can take 2a common. What is left there? A square minus, when you will take this, only 4. So now inside the bracket, if you see a square itself is the square of a and 4 is the square of 2. So what happens? 2a square minus b square, a minus b into a plus b. So here you can leave your answer. So that's all about your question number 4. 5 is the factorize the following. Now you have to think in 5 mixed bag is there. You have to apply the knowledge whatever you have gained up to this question number 4, not based upon this class studies only, but from the previous classes point of view. Like in first part, your question is 8a square plus 24b square. So this is not an identity anywhere. So I know that I have to simply take 8 common. So I will be left with 8 plus 3b square. Simplest form of the factorization. Nothing else I can do. So I will leave my answer here. Now suppose in second part, it is given 3a cube plus 3ab square and plus 3ac square. So keep a watch upon your coefficient as well as on the variables, what we did in our second question also. So here you can see 3 is there, 3 is there, 3 is there. So 3 is there. In variables, a is there, and a is there. So I said give me the lowest degree. Highest degree is 3 and lowest degree is 1. So I can take 3a common. So then a cube upon a will make it a square. And then here it is 3a. So this will be b square. And here it will be c square. And you can leave your answer here. 3a into a square plus b square plus c square. And then if you go to the third part, so in third part what you can check is b into b plus c, and then it is plus 10 into b plus c. So what happens, we did in middle term splitting, second last step was there, so b plus c is here, b plus c is here, means I can take b plus c common. From here I will left with b, from there I will left with 10. So then I can split it in terms of b plus c into b plus 10. That is the factorized form. Then it is fourth part is 5y square minus 20y, then it is minus 8z and plus 2yz. Fine. You just go for the pairing, because in 5y and 20y I am finding 5y common. You take it easily. Y minus 4 is there. Fine. And then here if you see 2y z and 8z, so I can take 2z common. 2z common. So do whatever is possible there. If I will take 2z common, I will left with here it is minus 4. Fine. And plus I will left here with only y. Minus 2z is common, but I have taken minus 2z common, means plus divided by minus will give you minus here. So this will be minus 4 minus y. And here still the possibility is there, 5y, y square minus 4 can be expressed as y square minus 2 square, and here it will remain minus 2z into minus 4 into minus y. So if you'll go here, it will be 5y into y minus 2 or y plus 2, and then it is minus 2z, because this is into minus 2z into minus 4 minus y. So somewhere you pay attention that how to split the middle term, if possible anywhere in case of middle term splitting. But now we are totally beyond that particular method, that is our middle term splitting. So I have to keep a watch upon the identity, and wherever it is possible to go for the identity, please make a note of that, as now we are proceeding with one identity only, and that identity is what? Your simply a square minus b square. So keep a watch upon that, and when it is possible, you just keep on applying that identity a square minus b square wherever it is possible, and then check your answers. I hope comfortably you will be getting the answers. If any difficulties you are finding, you just let me know. I will come back to you with your difficulties. So rest of the questions of this particular exercise I am leaving to you, and if any difficulty is there, again I will speak to you about your difficulties. So here another possibility about this solution I will like to share with you, that is the problem is here. It should be y minus 4. Please make a note of that. That is the mistake. 5y when I have taken common, so that is y minus 4, and when it is y minus 4, I can make it y minus 4 by taking plus 2z common. So then this will be minus 4 here, and this will be plus y. So now what I can do is, that was the error, somewhere I was doubtful here, because now in this step what you can do, 5y, y minus 4, and then plus 2z, again it is what? Y minus 4. Now you see, this is y minus 4 is common, so you write it y minus 4 and into what? 5y plus 2z. So this is the answer for your part number 4. So please keep a watch upon that, and these are the first 4 parts I have done to you. Remaining 4 parts you try. And last question number 6, all the 7 parts are based upon your middle term splitting only. So please, you get it today's assignment, because tomorrow you have to give a test also. All these 7 parts are based upon your middle term splitting. Do practice. If any difficulty will be there, please send a comment. I will solve your problems. Thank you.